Hello YouTube, this is Vacuum-matic today, and today we've got a Hoover convertible. Now this one has got a very interesting story because this one, as you can see, we picked it up just before Christmas, but this one is not an English one, is it, Kyle?
No.
Again, this one, as you can see by the plug, is a French one. Now, the people were selling this one, but they actually lived in France, didn't they? And I think they travelled over. I think there must be a reason why. I think because these vacuums are rarer in the UK than they are in France. They brought it over to sell. So yeah, so I literally picked this one up a week before Christmas. We had to drive to the east side of the UK, obviously near Dover, and picked this gem up. But as you can see, it's absolutely in lovely condition. It also comes with the original hose and floor attachment. This one is called a convertible, which is the European version of the Dial-a-matic. This one, as you can see, has got a slightly different knob on it again. And this one, what's the model of this one? Should I go and show? Oh, there's a bag, look, so Carl's going to let you know. So it does come with a never been used brand being used an original Hoover bag, which is a vintage one due to the colour of it. This one also has a height adjustment, which the early ones never had. So you've got we can have a look at it here. It's not very good light. You know, got that on there, isn't it? So you've got a low, medium,
doesn't work anymore.
And high, yeah, because you've got to lift it up. So I'll have it on normal. But push it down, mate, I think we push it down. Yeah, push it down and move it till.
You're only down.
Alright, we want it on the normal because so we'll try this one on the normal. So this one has the, I think it's 840 watt Hoover motor, and being a European machine, it shouldn't have any problems at all running on the 240 volts because they actually use the same voltage as the UK machines. You can hear a slight squeak here. Now, Coles, we've been after one of these with tools for ages actually, but when this one turned up, literally the minute it went on Gumtree, I just happened to be in the right place at the right time. Literally within about 4 minutes of going on, I told them I'll have it, but I had to wait over 6 weeks. I actually had to wait till they come back, so they actually visited the UK to actually pick it up. So we're just gonna switch this one on.
Where's going to plug it into?
Yeah, plug it into that outlet there.
Why? What happens if this circuit board up?
It won't.
It will.
So this one should have a 13 amp fuse in it. It's got a converter plug on it, isn't it?
It's got red fuse in there.
That's a grey one. That's a brown one.
Well, that is.
That's a brown 13. So this one is the European version of the Dial-a-matic. They were actually made in France. I think the thing's tripped, isn't it? Switch is gone. I think the fuse is gone on that one. Wow, that was a bit worrying, but I would like to show you the reason why it switched on and switched off, because they actually fitted a 3 amp fuse on a 780 watt vacuum cleaner, which technically you should have a 13 in this one, if I remember rightly.
Or 5.
Or, well, you could put a 5 in it, but... So, just going to see if it works now. So it does work fine. Paul's got the tools on that, remember? Not a lot of stuff like the old set. Not bad. There's something in the old one. Right. So it does run alright. So, hang on a minute. They call this a convertible because it's a 2-in-1 vacuum. It has the power of a cylinder, like the clean air systems, and it has the upright style usability. So it's got the beautifier on this one. Should be on medium, mate. Alright, lift it up. There we go. Yeah, you can hear the feet are working on that one. Might need a new belt on there, I think. Remember this tool set. Because this is only a first look video, we don't want to show everything. So as you can see now, this is a 2-in-1 vacuum. I'm actually going to show you as well the rating sticker. So we'll first unplug this one. Well, I've sat down for this. So this one, which we never told you, is a U5002 and it's a 511, so it's a late 1975 model. And it is a 800 watt. I think the original Dial-a-matic was from the US was 840, I think. So it looks like they've used a slightly different motor for this one. So this one is made in France by SA Hoover, but the interesting thing is all the Hoover convertibles were made in the French factory, weren't they? And as you can see, that the brush bar is absolutely lovely condition. I mean, can't believe how nice this one really is. I mean, there's very little paint scratches on it as well, so we're just gonna bit the old car paint polish.
And you see where it burnt out?
Yeah. Well, let's show the fuse. Yeah, they put a 3 amp fuse in this one. It should have had a 13, but you can see You can just about see there where it's black. So Carl's now going to have a bit of a mess around with this one, but will, like I say, I may have to replace the cable on this one because it is a bit warm, but Carl wants to keep the plug on it. See, you don't really need to, mate, because they sold these in the UK. You can keep the plug on there like if you want. We may have to chop the cable down maybe a little bit because they got a bit of sellotape.
No, we're not just going to put the cable.
Oh no, oh yeah, because it's got that end on it. Yeah, so I don't know what's going to happen with the cable. So what do you say now, Carl?
Poison now.
And please subscribe to Vacuum Man 8 and thank you for watching. Bye.